It's time that we take desktop UV customization into a whole new dimension. Take a blank tumbler, for example. It may cost around $5. Add one personalized design, and its value can increase by $30 on Etsy, all from a single print. And the possibilities keep expanding. Daily drinkware, cans, and spheres you see every day could all become your next high-value custom product. That's exactly why we created the XTool OR1 rotary attachment. 5 years ago, XTool pioneered the rotary attachment in the laser industry, and we've continued to lead its evolution ever since. OR1 builds on 3 generations of rotary engineering, from refined chuck and roller systems to the precision motion control proven in our RA3. Now, we're bringing 5 years of real-world expertise and continuous innovation to desktop UV printing. So, as you step into curved surface printing, you can create with confidence, backed by our most advanced rotary solution yet. With conventional rotary solution, the problems show up fast. An uncommon cup shape? It may not print at all. Adding artwork around an existing logo? It may land in the wrong place. Going full wrap? The seams may never meet. These failures all trace back to inaccurate scanning and modeling, leaving users to measure by hand and test repeatedly. This is where OR1 changes curved printing at its core. Its breakthrough technology combines pixel scan and 3D modeling with our precision chuck system. The chuck holds the object securely on a stable rotation axis, allowing pixel scan to capture every contour accurately as it turns. The system then reconstructs the object's true shape in 3D, so O1 can recognize more cup types, position each design precisely, and control the print path around the actual surface, not an estimate. Here's how pixel scan works. Don't worry about the shape, just place it in. OR1 reads it and adapts for you. Imagine passing the object through a curtain of parallel light. As OR1 slowly lifts and rotates it, the projected lines change with every curve, taper, and contour, like tracing the object one thin layer at a time. OR1 records each of those outlines and stacks them together, rebuilding the actual object as a full-scale 1-to-1 3D model. And what if you could add a new design precisely around the artwork already printed on a cup? Normally, that means measuring the existing logo by hand, estimating its position in the software, and running test after test. Sounds like a lot of trouble, right? OR1 gives you a much smarter way. The cup rises close beneath the CIS module and slowly rotates. As it turns, CIS scans the surface line by line, like gently unrolling the picture wrapped around the cup. That picture gradually opens into a flat canvas in the software, keeping every logo and pattern in its original position. Now, you can see exactly what's already there and add your own creativity right on top of it. Whether you are personalizing a branded tumbler or enhancing an existing design, OR1 helps you create precisely placed customization and turn ready-made products into premium pieces worth more. Once OR1 understands the object's shape and surface, there's one more challenge: keeping it perfectly on track through an entire 360-degree print. Full wrap printing is like drawing a circle around a 3D object. The end must meet the beginning exactly. OR1 secures the object on a stable rotation axis, with its chuck fitting inside an open cup, or holding cans and spheres firmly between supports. It then controls every angle of rotation, keeping the print on one precise path. Roller systems, however, can fall short in full wrap printing. When rotating the object through external friction, they offer less control over the rotational path and angular precision. Even a slight slip can accumulate into positional errors, shifting the design and preventing the seam from aligning precisely. OR1 brings the design precisely back to its starting point. No manual measuring or repeated calibration, just accurate, seamless full wrap printing. With OR1, curved surface printing becomes easier from start to finish. It understands the object's shape, shows you exactly where your design will go and controls every degree of movement for seamless full wrap results. That means more printable shapes, more premium custom products, and more opportunities to grow your business and increase the value of your products. Unlock more curves with easy UV printing with our world's first 3D visualized rotary attachment, XTool OR1. Turn more ideas into products and more products into a brand that's uniquely yours.